Programming a Saab 93 key fob involves synchronizing the remote with the vehicle's immobilizer and central locking systems. This is ECU specific and typically requires the Tech2 scanner and GM's proprietary SPS software. Saab 93 key fobs use a 433 MHz frequency and must be compatible, so check part numbers like 1277617. The Tech2 scanner, while legacy hardware, remains the primary tool for Saab 93 models from pre-2010. The process is essential for replacing lost or non-functional key fobs and synchronizes with the vehicle's immobilizer and central locking systems. This is DIY-friendly for enthusiasts but can require professional assistance due to the risk of bricking the ECU. First, connect the Tech2 scanner to the vehicle's OBD2 port, typically located under the dashboard. Then, connect the Tech2 to a laptop running SPS software and power the Tech2 using a 12-volt adapter. In SPS software, select your Saab 93 vehicle, navigate to Body, Central Locking, and enter the vehicle's VIN for authentication. Follow the on-screen prompts in SPS. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the fob's lock button as instructed, then cycle the ignition. This reprograms the receiver module, known as the BCM. Finally, test all fob functions, including lock, unlock, and panic. Then clear any error codes in SPS. Incorrect programming can disable the vehicle, so back up ECU data first. Rolling code security requires the ECU to learn the fob's unique code, making proprietary tools like Tech2 essential since generic scanners lack the encryption keys.